Hello and welcome back to Faceless Security, where we explore the world of technology and cybersecurity. Join us for an informative video where we dive into the basics of PCI-DSS. The Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI-DSS, is a security control framework that applies to any organization that handles credit card transactions. The standard was created by major credit card companies, such as Visa, Mastercard, American Express, and Discover, to establish a set of security requirements for organizations that accept, process, transmit, or store credit card information. The PCI-DSS framework consists of 12 requirements that are organized into 6 control objectives, which are as follows. Build and maintain a secure network and systems. Install and maintain firewall configuration to protect cardholder data. Do not use vendor-supplied defaults for system passwords and other security parameters. Protect cardholder data. Protect stored cardholder data. Encrypt transmission of cardholder data across open, public networks. Maintain a vulnerability management program. Use and regularly update antivirus software or programs. Develop and maintain secure systems and applications. Implement strong access control measures. Restrict access to cardholder data by business need to know. Assign a unique ID to each person with computer access. Restrict physical access to cardholder data. Regularly monitor and test networks. Track and monitor all access to network resources and cardholder data. Regularly test security systems and processes. Maintain an information security policy. Maintain a policy that addresses information security. Adherence to the PCI-DSS framework is mandatory for organizations that handle credit card data, and non-compliance can result in severe fines and penalties. Certification to the standard is often required by credit card companies, and organizations must undergo an annual assessment by a qualified security assessor, QSA, to demonstrate compliance. That concludes the brief overview of PCI-DSS framework. To learn more, click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.